Hey guys, welcome back to AZ Trading. I just recorded a video, but it didn't record properly, so I'm just gonna cut to the good parts. Enjoy. Long story short, either do you prefer weekly reviews where I go through what happened in the previous week and find opportunities that could have been taken or were taken, or weekly speculations, so we look into the future and make a daily bias to take forward for the coming week to help our trading ideas. Alright, enjoy the video. Might as well just do like a daily bias review for the coming week. Why not? Okay, so what do I see? So this is my bias, I wrote it here. I usually do all my market reviews and speculation stuff on the Mondays, since on the weekends I'm usually a bit busy. But for 6th to 12th of June, and right now it is the 6th of June. So my bias is, since the previous week's range was very consolidating, it wasn't very expansive. This week's bias is to be more expansive. Is that even I don't know if that's a word, but I want to see movement this week, since last week had little movement. And we have objectives below and above, and above we can see much more. So we have 4-hour gaps, clean equal highs, more gaps and more equal highs, so there's a lot of things to be taken above. And below we have some slightly messy equal lows here, but we have a big 4-hour gap here. So overall, we've got more stuff above, so my bias is going to be bullish. So I'm going to be looking for bullish RMRs to form this week. When I say RMR, all I mean is some sort of range to be formed. So R, I'm looking for the raid. M, looking for the market shift. And R, looking for the return to enter in that area, and then look to ride that move. So let me just clarify with this color. So that's the raid. Breaking this high would be the shift. This is the return here. Return as in return to perhaps a gap, perhaps an order block. Maybe your entry method is to return to the retracement level, wherever the fib is. Whatever your entry pattern is, that's what we're waiting for, and then we look to long in that area with our stop at the bottom of the raid, which is always controlled, and our objective at different points of liquidity and different gaps. So something like the Goldilocks scenario for this week would be, since there's CPI on Friday, perhaps even a bullish RMR like one of these to form on a Friday. Let's say it raided, it shifted, it returned on a Friday. We look to long there with our stop at the bottom of the raid and our objective at the big gaps and the big equal highs. So long story short, that's what we're looking for. Who knows, it might form bearish RMRs in order to fill this gap or to take out some sell side liquidity, but that's something to look for in the lower time frame, in the 1, 5, 15 minute charts to see. This is like an overall bias. Alright, with that said, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more weekly reviews or weekly speculations like this, please let me know in the comments. And as always, take care everyone. Peace.